Now let's talk about the major scale. Maybe you have heard about scales. You have heard about tones. Well, major scale is a structure and it's a very important concept in our musical system. Maybe you won't understand at all how this is useful right now, but it's very important to you to understand this. Well, first I'm going to watch the notes from C to the next C. Starting at the middle C, I'm reading this in treble clef, so I begin with the C note. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. This is a scale, and this is called the major scale. But which is important is that this scale has a structure and is an established structure. How can I know the structure? Well, first I'm going to analyze the distance between, I'm going to find the distance between each note. Remember that from one key to the next one, you have half step. So from C to C sharp, I have half step. If I go from C to D, I have a whole step. If I count the distance between one note and the next one, I will have that from C to D, I have one whole step. Then from D to E, one whole step, and I'll continue having half step, half step, one step, and half step. You can go to your keyboard, or maybe if you have any app with a piano keyboard, you can go and make sure that you're having this distance and you're understanding the distances between each note and the other. So if I count the distances, well, I'm going to have a structure. So if C note is the first grade, then from the first grade to the second grade, which is D, I'm going to have one step. And this structure, I must really memorize this structure. So this is homework for you. Memorize this structure because you're going to use this to find all the others major scales.